Welcome to momedaram. In this video, we will see the differences between array list and linked list. Array list and linked list classes are implementation classes for list interface. The similarities between this array list and linked list are these array list and linked list objects are store heterogeneous data. It will allow duplicate elements. The elements will be stored based on the insertion order, and these two classes implements serializable and clonable interfaces. These are the properties which are common between array list and linked list. Now let us see the differences between these two classes. Array list is an index based data structure where each element is associated with an index. That is, array list class is implemented using global array data structure. So we can say the underlying data structure for this array list is global array. Elements in the linked list are called nodes, where each node consists of three things: reference to the previous element, actual value of the element, and reference to the next element. That is, the linked list class is implemented by using doubly linked list data structure. So the underlying data structure for this linked list is doubly linked list. That is the reason the elements of this linked list class has three things. We can call that as nodes. That three parts are reference to the previous element, actual value of the element, and reference to the next element. Insertion and removal in the middle of the array list are very slow because after each insertion or removal, elements need to be shifted. That is, if you want to add an element in between the array list, that time when you add the new element, all the existing objects needs to be shifted to the right position from where we have inserted. If we remove an element in between or middle of the array list, all the elements needs to be shifted to the left hand side. This may causes the performance issue. So we can say insertion and removal in middle of the array list takes order of n. Here n is nothing but number of elements. Insertion and removal from any position in the linked list are faster than array list because there is no need to shift any elements after every insertion and removal. Only references of previous and next elements are to be changed. So we can say the insertion and removal operations in linked list takes order of 1. The next main difference is retrieval of element in array list is faster than the linked list because all elements in array list are index based. So if an element is based on the index, we can able to retrieve easily. So the retrieval operation in the array list takes order of 1 time. Retrieval of elements in linked list is very slow compared to array list because to retrieve an element we have to traverse from beginning to end or end to beginning. That is, we have to compare each value and we have to retrieve the specific value. So the retrieval operation in the linked list will take order of n time. This array list is of type random access. That is, this array list implements random access interface. That is the reason we can able to access the elements randomly. This linked list is not of type random access, so elements cannot be accessed randomly. We have to traverse from beginning to end or from end to beginning. This is all about this video. Thanks for watching.